Hello, in this update, we can verify the GST number of client in bulk. For that, click on client. Then we can see there is the option of GST number verification. As we click on it, we get to know all pending GST verification number and verified GST number. So basically, the main purpose of this update is when we add client and their registration number from the Excel sheet format, we can verify their GST number within a click by selecting all pending client GST number and then click on verify GST number. This GST number verification is useful to check the actual status of GST which is filed or not from the GST portal.
In the second update, we can add the new services to the client, and also we can add the subtask to that particular service or for the task in bulk. For that, we have to click on masters, then click on service master, and then multiple service. Then we have to select the service act and select the service, then select financial year and select the client. Also, we can select all client from here and then apply filter. Then we can see the list of the client, and if we have to add the new services to the client, then click on this active status checkbox. And if we have to apply the subtask to that particular service, then click on subtask checkbox. Then we can see that subtask has been applicable to that particular client and for that particular task. Then click on save data.